In today's video, I am going to teach you how to insert furniture blocks in AutoCAD. We'll use AutoCAD's built-in Design Center to quickly add ready-made beds, sofas, and tables to a floor plan. This method is fast, consistent, and ideal when you want clean, standard blocks without hunting around online. Start by opening the Design Center. On the command line, type ADC or DC and press Enter. The Design Center palette will appear, usually as a dockable panel. Think of it like a content browser for drawings, blocks, and more. You can drag its edge to resize it so previews are easier to see. Next, we'll navigate to the sample library that ships with AutoCAD. In the Design Center's folder tree, browse to your installation path and locate the sample folder. Then NUS, then Design Center. A common path is C drive, program files, then click Autodesk. Then click AutoCAD, then select Sample. Then open NUS, then open Design Center. If your version or language differs slightly, just look for a similar Sample and Design Center folder. Inside, you'll see several example drawings specifically curated for design content. Now choose a source drawing that contains furniture. Two good options are homespaceplanner.dwg and housedesigner.dwg. These files include a variety of common residential furniture items. Selecting one of these gives you a reliable set of blocks that are already drawn to sensible standards, which saves you time and keeps your project consistent. With a file selected, expand it in the Design Center and click on Blocks. You'll see thumbnails of available items like beds, sofas, and tables. To place one, simply click and drag the block from the palette straight into your drawing area. When you drop it in, AutoCAD will prompt you for an insertion point. Click where you want it to land. You can accept the default scale and rotation by pressing Enter. Or you can type a specific scale and angle if you need to match a particular plan size or orientation. If the block appears too large or too small, adjust the scale during insertion or refine it afterward. For precise placement, turn on Object Snaps so you can snap to corners, midpoints, or intersections in your plan. Repeat the drag and drop process for any additional furniture you need. Each block you place will appear in your current drawing's block list, so you can reuse it as often as needed. If you want to keep your layers tidy, you can adjust block properties or move them to a designated furniture layer after placement. And that's it. Thanks for watching.